Welcome my dear student in a digital learning class of mathematics. As you all know, we are in chapter number 4, that is linear equations in two variables. So in this chapter we are going to deal with the linear equations having two variables. First exercise we did complete, that is related to its standard form. So today our task is to find out solution of linear equation. So how to find out solution of linear equation? So before starting this, let me tell you some basic rule of this exercise. First, what do you mean by linear equations in two variable? Linear equations in two variable. So here an equation of a form ax plus by plus c equals to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and x and y are variable, is called linear equation in two variables. So this is related to standard form. Already we discussed about this, and here you can see a is the coefficient of x, b is the coefficient of y, and c is the constant term. Some example is given here, like 6x plus 2y plus 5 equals to 0, 5x minus 2y plus 3 equals to 0. From here you can easily find out the value of a, b and c. These are the constant terms. So let's move forward. That is your exercise 4.2. How to find out the solution, that is very important. Earlier in previous classes you have studied about linear equation in one variable. There you are directly transposing the one term to another side and you are able to find out the answer. But in this case it is little different than the previous classes work. So let's see first what is the requirement here. So solution of the linear equation, the value of a linear, or we can say the value of the variable when substituted for the variable in an equation, satisfies the equation. In simple language, if you are interested to tell this answer, that means left hand side value must be equals to right hand side value. For that you need to substitute the value of x and y. If you are able to substitute the values, those values of x and y which satisfy the equation are called solution or root of the equation. Keep in mind, sometime it is written there solution, sometime it is root of the equation. Both thing is same. So let's take an example to understand this question or this type of questions. Let's see, first example I have taken 2x plus 3y equals to 12. Now my task is here to substitute the value of x and y, so that after substituting answer remain 12. My dear student, here you have so many choices to substitute x and y. Consider, as I have taken here, x equals to 3 and y equals to 2. If I am substituting x3, then I need to multiply 3 to the 6, and y I have selected 2, 2 3 to 6, and 6 plus 6 12. That means first answer is the value of x is 3 and value of y is 2. And you can see a table is there. If you are taking x is equals to 0, if x is 0, then 2 into 0, 0. So then y value become 3 4 ja 12. Next, if y is 0, then 3 into y is 0 and 6 to the 12. My dear student, you might be thinking how I come to know about this table. For this table we need to follow some steps. After then you can easily prepare this table. This is direct substitution method, but I will tell you in details how to find out these values. So as I told you, what do you mean by solution of a linear equation? Solution of a linear equation means to prove that left hand side is equals to right hand side, and these are solutions. How to find out or solve a equation, that already you have studied in previous classes. That means same quantity can be added or subtracted from the both side of equality sign, or in other language if you want to say, then same quantity can be added on the both side of an equation without changing equality. That means equal to sign is not going to change. You can add same quantity on both sides. You can subtract even the same quantity, second point, or you can divide or you can multiply. There is a 4 different way operation we can say, that is adding, subtracting, multiplying and dividing. But in case of multiplication and division, one word is very important there, non-zero number. That means you are not supposed to multiply with a 0, or you are not supposed to divide by 0. Rest number you can select here. So let's see the example once again. Now this linear equation I have selected first. Linear equation in two variable has infinitely many solutions. This line is very important, my dear student. How many solutions a linear equation in two variable has? It is infinitely many solutions. How I can say infinitely? Because you can select any number here. Let's see step by step. In these questions you need to find out one variable one side and rest all the content on second side to find out the values. So let's see how I did. First I have written as such a question, that is 2x plus 3y equals to 12. Then shift x from left hand side to right hand side, so it becomes 3y is equals to 12 minus 2x. Then 3 is in multiply with y, shift it to denominator, it becomes y is equals to 12 minus 2x upon 3. Now you can select any value of x. Let x equals to 2. You can take let x equals to 5, 0. Any number you can select negative or a positive in place of a x. Then automatically you will get a value of y. Let's see how. I am taking x equals to 2. So if x is 2, then you can see 2 2 is 4 and 12 minus 4 is 8 upon 3 is answer. Now if this is your answer for when x is 2. In this way you can substitute here one by one all value in this last equation, which is in a box, that is y is equals to 12 minus 2x upon 3. Here you can substitute the value of x, any value, and automatically you will get a value by. Then after you can make same table like this. You can see here I have selected 2. Now answer is 3 upon 8. If I am going to select 0, then 4. If x is 6, then y become 0. You can calculate similarly all. I hope, my dear student, you are able to understand how to calculate or how to find out the solution of linear equations in two variables. So let's move toward your very first question of 4.2. Which one of the following option is true and why? Question is y is equals to 3x plus 5 has how many solutions? It is having unique solution. Unique means only one solution. Unique means only one solution. Only two. That means only two values the answer. And third is infinitely many solution. Your first task is, my dear student, to understand what is given to you. An equation, that is y is equals to 3x plus 5, and it is having two variable. So in the statement it is written there, equation having two variable has infinitely many solution. So our answer is third, that is infinitely many solution. As I told you how it is possible, because you can select any value. As I made table in the previous slide, you can select any value and you will get a value for another variable different. So what is our answer? You can write infinitely many solution. It is because a linear equation in two variable has infinitely many solution. B, keep changes the value of x, solve linear equation to corresponding value of y. Even, my dear student, you can substitute here value of x and find the value of y. 2-3 example you can find out here. Like I can give, I can tell you in this way. Here 3 into x is written. Consider x is 0. Consider x is 0. Then 3 into 0, 0. Then you will get y value is equals to 5. When x is 0, then y is 5. Second value, let x is equals to 1. If x is 1, 3 1 ja 3 and 3 plus 5, 8. So y value is 8. In this way you can calculate so many values. That's why answer is infinitely many solution. I hope, my dear student, you are able to understand this question. Thank you so much.